G'day and welcome. This is the Loadsense Certified Helper X user guide. First, let me take you through the basic operations. To zero or tear at empty, first roll your bucket all the way back and steadily lift through the trigger. At this point, should you need to zero the bucket, press and hold the zero key. The indicator will then beep to let you know that the bucket has been zeroed. You're now ready to select a product or a customer. The F keys here at the top of the panel, just below the screen, work in conjunction with the grey panel at the bottom of your screen with icons. F2, customer, F3, product, and so on. First, we select F2 and find a customer. The customers come up, and using the navigation key we scroll down or up until we have the selected customer. Press OK and the customer will be shown here in the customer panel. Then select a product, F3. Again, products appear. Using the navigation pad, go up or down until you have the chosen product and press OK. You're now ready to weigh. Upon weigh, the bucket weight or partial weight will be shown. Press OK or use the remote key to activate and add it to the totals. Weigh again and add. Your total continually accumulates and your partials show you your bucket weight. Should you add a bucket and not require it, press the minus button and that will delete the last bucket off your total. Once you have finished and you would like to terminate the weighing, press the C button and a docket will be printed. If you require another docket, press the print key and press the print key for as many dockets as you require. Once you finish, if you don't require any more copies, press the F3 key. The total will now be erased and you are ready to weigh again.